Hi, my name is Tiffany Gould, and I'm the president of the Athletic Foundation. Welcome to Plant. The mission of the Athletic Foundation is to promote and support the Plant High School Interscholastic Athletics Program by supporting athletic and academic achievement by all student athletes, promoting active parent and community involvement, promoting sportsmanship and leadership by the members of the athletics program, and providing financial assistance to the athletics program. We primarily raise money through our memberships, and all memberships, with the exception of one, include adult Hillsborough County booster passes for free entry into all regular season middle school, JV, and varsity sporting events for public schools in Hillsborough County. We also raise money through our Paws store, where we sell exclusive Nike gear. And we raise money to support the teams by running the concession stand at the football games. Please consider joining the Athletic Foundation to support our student athletes. Our website is, and we'll be sending out more information via Twitter and the Panther Press, so you can join the Athletic Foundation and buy our gear. Thank you, and go Plant.